In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Creality Cloud app on Android. This process is straightforward and will enable you to manage your 3D printing projects efficiently. Let's get started with the first step. Open the Google Play Store on your Android device. You will see a colorful icon that resembles a shopping bag with a Play symbol inside. Tapping this icon will take you to the Play Store interface where you can access millions of apps available for download. This step is crucial because the Google Play Store is a trusted platform for downloading applications. Make sure you are connected to the internet, either through Wi-Fi or mobile data. Once you are in the Play Store, you are ready to begin searching for the app. Now tap the search bar at the top of the screen and type Creality Cloud. The search bar is typically outlined and easy to find. As you type, suggestions may appear below. This feature helps you quickly locate the app you want. It's important to type it correctly to ensure you find the right application. Take your time and double-check your spelling. After entering the name, hit the search button to proceed. This step is essential because it directs you to the specific app you need for your 3D printing tasks. Next, locate Creality Cloud. Try 3D printing, developed by Creality Cloud in the search results. You will see a list of apps that match your search, but you're looking for the one with the exact name and the developer's name listed. The app icon may also help you identify it, as it usually features a recognizable logo. Selecting the right app is vital because it ensures you download the official version, which is safe and reliable. Take a moment to confirm that this is the correct app before moving on. After confirming the app's identity, tap Install to download and install the app automatically. You will find this button prominently displayed on the app's page. Once you tap it, the download will begin and you can see a progress bar indicating how much of the app has been downloaded. This automatic process saves you time and ensures that you have the latest version of the app. Once the installation is complete, you will see a confirmation message. This reassures you that the app is now ready for use. Once the installation is finished, you can find the Creality Cloud app in your app drawer or home screen. Look for the app icon, which should be similar to what you saw in the Play Store. Tapping on the icon will open the app, allowing you to start managing your 3D printing projects immediately. This step is exciting because it opens the door to a world of 3D printing possibilities. You can now connect your printer and explore various features that the app offers. In summary, we have covered how to download the Creality Cloud app on Android. You opened the Google Play Store, searched for the app, confirmed its identity, and installed it. Each of these steps is important in ensuring you have a smooth and efficient experience. Now you can enjoy all the benefits that come with the Creality Cloud app. Thank you for watching and happy printing!